So I went to test the signal amplifier and something's definitely up because this capacitor absolutely exploded.
Hello, welcome back to I Really Need a Haircut, but all of the hairdressers are still closed. Today we're going to be making this LM386 audio amplifier kit. It's a cool kit. It was pretty cheap for me to get it, and I'm going to be using it for a future project, so I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Here's everything that comes with the kit. It's not a lot of stuff. There's no instructions, but the board seems to be laid out pretty good, so we should be good to go. I've had to do some weird bending to get this resistor in because the slot for it is just weirdly tiny. So this is how it's going to have to sit on the board. Unfortunately, I bridged right here, but this whole section is all one connected piece, so I don't think it's a big deal because they set these pads really close together, like you can see right here. It's going to be a miracle if I don't bridge this one. So only a couple more connections, but there's not any good way to keep it mounted anymore, so I'm just gonna have to add them to the board just on the table. And there we go. I did a little bit of board cleanup. I got all the two bridge pins down here separated. So now all that's left to do is to put in the IC and then give it a test. There we go, IC in. This is definitely one of the most compact boards that I've ever worked on. So I've ordered the cabling that will allow me to connect the audio, but for now let's just see if power works. And yep, the LED lights up. So I went to test the signal amplifier and something's definitely up because this capacitor absolutely exploded. Like, that was insane. That was a massive bang. Time to give it a test. I've got my speaker hooked up here. I've got power in and I've got audio in. So I'll connect the audio, turn on the power, and we'll see what it does. I'm currently playing my video without the power connected, so you can see when there's no power connected, you get nothing coming out. Now when I turn the power on, we give it about 5.5 volts. Nothing really. You can hear that it's on though, it's clicking a bit. As I turn this up,
have duplicates, like there's a second board and there's a second speaker, but couldn't fit them in frame. So here's everything it comes with, and with that, let's get to soldering.
This thing totally works. Basically, I've only adjusted this knob. This knob has a full range. It can go all the way around. I'm only adjusting it like this much. And I'm only using 5.5 volts of the 5 to 12 volt range this thing says it can do. So for a $1.50 amplifier, this is pretty good. One other thing I should mention, when I'm playing it, if I turn the volume down on my phone and I use just the amplifier, you get a bunch of high frequency feedback.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video where we're going to be making these GickFun DIY speakers. They're a soldering
You can
kit.
hear a lot of
They're
high
fun to make,
frequency
so
noises.
I hope you guys enjoy this video. Here's everything that comes with the kit.
And there's a lot of background buzz.
Have duplicates. Like there's a second board and there's a second speaker.
Anyway, yeah, this for $1.50, especially for what I'm going to be using this for in a future project, this totally works. It amplifies the sound, especially if you don't care about extra high frequency noises.